Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a Christmas gift guide slash wish list. Most of the things on this list is things that I will want for myself for Christmas, but I'm also using it as a guide as well for anybody else who's lost on what to get for Christmas. On this list is really most of the things on, I feel like this is really directed towards teens. I don't want to say it's like only directed towards boys, and I don't want to say it's only directed towards girls, because to be honest, it's like both mixed in one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on all of my social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. I'll put it somewhere so y'all can see it. Don't forget to follow, like some pictures, whatever. I always wanted to like do this type of video for years. Like anytime it was Christmas time, I always used to start watching these videos to like get an idea of what I wanted, and like I always wanted to make a video. And last year I could have made one, but I wasn't really like on track on my YouTube, so it's like I just didn't do it. But now I feel like I'm like in a good place and I can finally do this video, and I'm like so happy. And plus, like even when even though I'm making my own video, I still like to watch other people's videos too, to like, because even though everybody's video isn't the same, so it's like I'll watch like 10 different videos to get like different ideas and everything like that. And I could just watch these videos all day, and it's like if I enjoy it, then like, you know, why not do a video on it too? Because I know I'm not the only one that like these videos, okay? Something that I realized when I was watching other videos, that they were all mentioning like, oh, it's November, it's too early to do this video because it's not December yet. But I feel like doing this video around this time is like the perfect time, because even though it's November, like you gotta understand, like November, that's when like a lot of Black Friday stuff is going on. So of course you're gonna want to put the video out before Black Friday, so a lot of people could like, you know, they'll have time to get more ideas, and like they don't have to wait till Christmas, and like when all the sales are going, and like they're gonna be mad that they couldn't get it for a better price. But I feel like there's no problem with putting this video out in like November. Like some people might feel like it's too early, but I feel like it's the perfect time. Another thing that I really hate around this, well, like when these videos are out, is I can't sit through a video when they don't have the pictures. Like this is why I'm sitting to the side, so like I can have some space to put like the pictures of things. But I just really can't sit through a video of like when they just saying the stuff. Like they really have to put a picture of it up, because yeah, I feel like putting pictures up is just makes the video 10 times better in my opinion. So yes, I will be putting pictures throughout the whole video for everything, all the 100 and plus things I have. And plus I actually like finding the pictures and putting them on there. I don't know, it's kind of fun to me. I enjoy it. I don't really get tired from it or anything. So okay, so the first thing on this list is a pet. Like maybe you've been wanting a puppy or a cat or a guinea pig or something like that. You can always just ask for a pet. So the next thing that you can get is some AirPods. And let me tell you, at first when AirPods first came out, I was like, those look so stupid. Like who would buy those? Yeah, like that's really how it was. I was like, who would buy those? Like whoever buy those are just like they just, no, like who? But like anyways, like a year later, how long did they come out? They came out like a year ago, right? But I just got me some, like I just got some, when was it, like October? What's October? Yeah, I just got me a pair like last month, October. And to be honest, I wish that I got them much earlier, because they would have been so helpful. But yes, if you think like, oh, AirPods aren't all that, like it's just like whatever, like people just be hyping it up, I really suggest that you get you some, because yeah, it's like when I don't have my AirPods, I just feel empty. And it's like, I understand you can have like other earphones, but like when you're in school and stuff, because like it's some days, like before I got my AirPods, I had like the earphones with the wires and stuff. So like I'll be walking in the hallway, and then next thing you know, like they getting caught on somebody's book bag that I don't even know in front of me and stuff, because they want to walk slow. And it's just so annoying, because at first I was also thinking like, oh, they're just gonna keep falling out of my ear and all of that, but like they really stay in place. And another thing is like they sound really good. Sometimes I have a problem with it, because I don't know if it's just me, but sometimes they'll be like lower on some days, and some days it's like sound higher. So I don't know. I got mine from Apple, so I know I don't have no fake ones, but it's like, I don't know. I know the second AirPods just got released too, and a lot of people are saying like, oh, it's ugly, blah blah. I feel like that's the same thing that happened with these AirPods, and then eventually everybody's gonna start having them. Because you remember when the AirPods first came out, I remember it's why am I talking like that? I'm just talking so bad. But yeah, I remember when everybody was like, oh no, they're ugly, blah blah. It's like now, and it's like now everybody you see, they have them. So they saying like, oh, the new AirPods are ugly now. You probably saying that too, but it's like, give it a couple months that y'all gonna want them. Another thing that you can get is a watch or an Apple Watch. I have an Apple Watch. Well, like I like kind of like took my mom's on because I just saw her in her little jewelry box, so I figured she don't use it, and she didn't ask me for it because I had it for a while. So it's like, yeah, whatever. I've been using hers. Well, I don't really use hers because I haven't been able to charge it lately because the charger broke. But like, I'll still wear it, and like, to be honest, in my opinion, it's for the looks. Because some outfits I have, like when I have on my Apple Watch, it just makes it look better. But I don't like really be having it on or anything, and I know I'm not the only person that do that, so don't even try to come for me. Like, I know it's a lot of y'all out there that have Apple Watches and they'll be charged, so don't even try to say anything to me because I don't care. When it comes to having an Apple Watch, it doesn't really, like, I don't really, when I have it on and it's like not charged, I don't really be like, oh man, I wish it was on, because like I could really care less about it. Like if I had it, then I don't care. If I didn't have it, then I still wouldn't care. But yeah, I just feel like it's really for the looks. Like it really would like boost your outfit to like 100, okay? I'm not even gonna lie about that. Like a lot of Apple Watches be making an outfit sometimes, okay? So the next thing is a computer or a laptop. If you're a YouTuber, like getting into YouTube, I feel like a laptop is like, you won't always need a laptop at first because you can just do it on your phone. But I feel like if you're really thinking about taking it serious, then the laptop will be so good for you. A new phone. I need a new phone. Y'all wanna see my phone? It's like broken. See, y'all see that? See this up here? All of this. Some cracks right here, some cracks right here. Don't mind my nails, okay? I haven't been able to get my nails done. A TV. Oh my god, I need a new TV because my TV like has been broken for a while, but I haven't turned it on in like months. So it's like a couple days ago I just found out that it was broken, and it's just like, but yes, I need a new TV. If you need a new TV too, then get you one. Hello? Nothing. Nothing. I had cooked it. Yeah. Yeah. So another thing that you can get is a car. Like if you've been wanting this car for a long time and you've been doing real good and stuff, and you want to tell your parents about it, then be like, you know, a car for Christmas. Like you don't always have to get a car for your birthday, you get it for Christmas too. Some shoes, if you're like a sneakerhead and all of that, and care about, and like you're really into like the Jordans or like the Nikes or whatever, then some new shoes would be great. Some gift cards, like food places, clothes, shoes, whatever. Another thing is a speaker or like a little Beats pill, whatever. A video game system and like some video games, and some clothes. You can never go wrong with clothes, like clothes from anywhere. Some bundles or a wig, like, you know, I know y'all gonna want your hair done for Christmas, so like, you know how, you know, it's gonna be Christmas break and you're gonna want your hair done for back to school. You can get some custom jewelry, like a custom necklace with your name on it, or like, I know a lot of people like do custom names, like the little birthdays. They could add like your birthstone to it. Like it's a lot of different custom jewelry you can get. You can get your ring. You can get a custom ring with your name on it, an anklet. Some hair products, like, you know how like the little bling pins are like in style now. So a lot of scrunchies are back in style. And camera, if you're really trying to get into YouTube, or like if you're really just into pictures a lot, then you can get a camera. A camera that I suggest for new YouTubers is the Canon G7 X. What is it? This is the camera that I'm actually filming with now, and I really love this camera. This is the Canon G7 X Mark II. This camera is really a vlogging camera, but at the same time it's still good as like a regular everyday type of camera to do videos with. This is good for vlogging too. I have like a 2-in-1, and like I feel like that's best for beginners, so like you don't have to worry about buying 2 different cameras. Concert tickets to see your favorite artist. I haven't been to a concert in like so long. The last concert I went to was like the Nicki Minaj one. Like the pink print one, that was so long ago. I want to go see Little Baby, the City Girls. Who else? See Summer Walker, but like I don't know. Like no, nothing, no hate or nothing. I love me some Summer Walker, okay? But you know, y'all, I'm sure y'all know about everything that's been going on with like her little stage performance. So it's just like, yeah. I'm sure it's other people too, but I can. Oh yeah, I want to go see Rod Wave. I want to see Rod Wave, but I don't know. He might have me crying in the audience or something because he just, his songs be deep, okay? Some Bath and Body Works products like lotion. You can get like the lotions, the perfume, the hand sanitizer, the candles, or like you could get like the whole set, like a phone case, AirPod cases. If I didn't have my AirPod case, then I feel like I would have been lost my AirPods. And a bed set. Maybe you just got a new room, or like you want to redo your room or something like that, or you plan on redoing your rooms. Then a really nice bed set would be cute. Some lip gloss. The best lip gloss is from Enchanted Rose. Go buy some from her. Yes, Enchanted Rose has the best lip gloss, different flavors, different colors. Go check them out on Instagram. Nail polish or nail tools. If you're really into doing your nails a lot, then asking for nail polish is like the perfect thing, or like some nail tools. If you want to get into like doing nails regularly or like as a job or whatever, then asking for tools will be so much cheaper and so much better. Some furniture, like I said, maybe you just moved into like a new apartment, or like you just moved into a college dorm or got a gym membership. Some perfume. You can get a coffee maker. Candles, like I said, some good candles are from Bath and Body Works. And they also have a lot of Christmas scents too. So if you're really like trying to get in the Christmas spirit, then get some candles from there. Some hot tools for your hair. So like a flat iron, a curling iron, a wall curler. Some money. If you don't want to like directly ask somebody for something, you could just ask for some money so you could go and get it on your own. And you won't have to take that risk of them buying the wrong one, the wrong size, or like the wrong color or something like that. And you know, not everybody gives back the receipt because they don't really want you to take the gift back. So it's just like, they like to keep the receipt, then you're just gonna be stuck with it. So asking for money straight up is good too. A ring light, like I said, if you're really into taking pictures or really want to start doing YouTube, then a ring light is perfect. That's actually the light I'm using now. That's the only light that I have. You can go get your nails done, like if you want to go get a pedicure, a manicure, a vacation, a waist trainer, because you know it's about to be the new year, so of course you want to have your body snatched. Some workout equipment, some room decor, a new rug or something. Like I said, bed sheets. You want to get some curtains, some eyelashes, a tattoo or piercing. I want a tattoo. I want a thigh tattoo. A bag, Pandora ring or charms, sunglasses. You can go get a wax, a spa day. Some art supplies if you're really into like arts and crafts stuff, or like if you're an artist or something, or you like to draw a lot, then some art supplies. Some business supplies. So like me, I have my own lip gloss business. So for example, I'll ask for like another order of like bubble mailers, or like some labels maybe, or some flowers, a tripod. Like I said, starting a YouTube channel, or you just like taking pictures in general, then the tripod is the best. You don't always have to set your phone up on something then risk it falling. A wig stand tripod, like if you're into making wigs. A vanity desk. I always wanted a vanity, and I can't wait till the day I get one, like with the lights and everything. Oh my god, like when I get me one of those, then that's when I know like my room is complete. Room lights, like the little tumbler room lights or whatever that could go on the side of your TV, around your doors, like under your bed. Some socks, Uggs, a journal. Another thing that you can get that I thought of, like I feel like this is like a really good idea. You know, ask for like a makeup class or like an eyelash class. So like let's say you want to get into like doing hair. I want to take a hair class, like a little frontal class. So some car accessories, amusement park tickets, so like Six Flags, Disney World, Islands of Adventure, a facial, a keychain. Yes guys, that's the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and comment down your favorite gift idea. Also comment down some other ideas that you might have, because I want to get some more ideas myself. Follow me on all of my social media platforms, which will be on the screen and down below as well. And see you guys in my next video, and happy Thanksgiving. Bye. And I hope that these videos will help you find out what you actually want for Christmas, because if you were lost when you first came here, I hope you left with some good ideas.